Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to make your Jeep more functional when you're out on the trail. If you like to take your Jeep off-road or even go camping with it and want to utilize every square inch of the interior, today we're going to be installing this Mopar tailgate table onto our 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. This Mopar tailgate table is a great option if you like to take your Jeep off-road and are looking for a nice surface to store any of the things that you want to get prepared, say a meal or even 2 cups. It's constructed of a durable and lightweight aluminum, then powder coated in a satin black to give it a really nice sleek finish. It features the Willys emblem on the top of it, so when it's open, you know that it's a Jeep product. We're going to get it installed in our 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Give it a try. Tools we need for this installation: plastic pry bar, 13mm drill bit, drill, 3/8 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, and a T40 Torx bit. We're going to be putting the tailgate table right here on the inside of our tailgate. The first step is to get this plastic trim removed. We're going to use a plastic trim removal tool, work around the edges, get this popped off. Start in the lower corner here. There's actually a nice little cutout for the wiring. You can get your pry bar right underneath the corner pretty easily, and you'll hear it pop. We're just going to work our way around the edge, get them all popped off. In case any of these little green plastic clips hung on for the ride, go ahead and pull them out and put them back on the pins on the inside where they pulled out of. Flip the inside of the tailgate panel around, and there's 4 holes that you have to drill out. There's going to be 2 holes right up here inside of this, and then there's 2 notches right down here, one in the corner, then one next to this clip. Drill them out to a 13mm hole. With all 4 of the holes drilled, you can now pop the panel back on. Give it a nice push all around the perimeter. Now you're going to install the 4 aluminum spacers that are included with the kit. There's 3 of them that are the exact same size, and then one that's a little bit longer. The one that's longer is going to go in the bottom left-hand corner, while the other 3 are going to go in the 3 remaining. Slide the longest one in. And as you can see, it just kind of sets there. You're actually going to put a bolt and a lock washer through there once the panel's on. What we're going to do is set the inside of the bracket in. You can see the little Willys Jeep cutout. It's going to go in the upper right-hand corner. Grab your hardware with a lock washer on it. Put it into the spacers. And they should start right behind there. There's actually a threaded stud in there. Once you get 2 of them started, I'm going to put the 2 in the bottom. Finally, put this last one in over here in the corner. Go ahead and use a T30 Torx bit to go around the perimeter and tighten down all of these 4 Torx screws. So the tailgate panel is going to sit like this when it's fully assembled, meaning that these 2 corners are going to be in the lower half. You'll be able to see the warning label here and have your cup holders on either side. To properly mount this, what you're going to do is use the included hardware, go through from the outside, place the nylon spacer in between, slide the inner bracket on, and then we're going to put a nut on there. We're going to repeat the same process on the other side. Place the nylon spacer in between the 2 brackets. Get these bolts tightened down with a 10mm box wrench and a T30 Torx bit. Repeat the same process on the back side. Now we can drop down the table and connect the cables. Lay the table down just to about level, and then go ahead and grab these cables. What you're going to do is just loop them around this stud. I have to pick up on it a little bit. Do that on both sides. Now you can let your panel down. Your install is complete. As you can see, we just finished up our Mopar tailgate table. This is a really awesome piece to have, plus this is exactly what it's perfect for. I've got my lunch spread out on here. It's gonna be great for tools or anything else you're looking to store. It also has attachments on the outside to fit a MOLLE bag, which is typical in the military. Put it on the outside and store whatever you need to. The install only took about an hour and there's only a little bit of drilling required. Now you can find this part as well as many other great parts for your JL right here at cjponyparts.com.